50 sports.
Billiards.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? This time we will learn about pool. Look at the picture. Many balls are on the table. A woman has a long stick. She will hit a ball with it. She plays pool. Have you ever played pool? We're going to study some words before learning about pool. Let's start.
Stripe. A tiger has stripes. The arrow points to a stripe on the tiger. It's a long line on a different color area. A zebra has stripes too. Group. A group of people or things is a number of people or things that are together. The picture shows a group of tourists. They are together. Turn. If it is your turn to do something, you now have the chance to do it. In the picture, there is a show at school. Girls are performing on the stage now. After the show, it will be the boys' turn. They will be on stage when it is their turn.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Stripe. Turn. Group.
It's time to read the text. Then you will take a quiz.
There are many balls on the table. Each ball has its own number. One group of balls is solids. Those balls are mostly one color. The other group is stripes. Those balls have white on the sides of the color. A man and a woman have long sticks. The stick is called a cue. They hit a ball with the cue. This sport is called billiards. The woman is going to hit the white ball. The white ball will hit another ball. Her goal is to put all of the solids or stripes into the holes using the white ball. If she puts a group of balls in before the man, she wins the game. When she can't sink a ball, the man gets his turn to play.
What is the stick called? Billiard. cue. What color ball does the player hit with the cue? Any stripe ball. White ball. When does the man get his turn? When the woman can't put a ball into a hole. When the woman put all of the solid balls into the holes.
How was the class today? Did you enjoy it? Good. I will see you next class. Goodbye for now.